Where's Max? Where's Max? Yeah, there he is. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Come to me. I know I'm not as furry and fun, but yeah, oh, Max wants to play. Max wants to play. Here she goes.
Yo, I might be able to do it for you, man. I'll throw a grenade beside you. Stay right there. Okay, I'll do another.
There she goes. Max.
I wasn't even really beside you. Because you can't be killed by your own fries.
Okay, okay. No, none of the licking fingers and all that, okay? She wants your food, Max. Are you sharing it, Max? Sharing it with you?
Okay.
Okay. All right, you two. All right. It's Max's.
They're both down. Kill one guy.
Okay, and his toy's Scuzzy, so we don't want you to play with the Scuzzy toy. Yes, and you eat your food so she doesn't accidentally eat it. Oh, don't throw it on her. You guys. Max, go get it.